couple times before you get it beat down good. Here you go. Hey, baby, go give her a push. Right, go give her a push. You gotta get it pushed down a couple times before you start. There you go. Keep doing it a couple times. And it'll be the same way. You gotta make the snow down before you can slide. Here we go. Right. Give me a good push. You wasn't supposed to do that. Let's try Zelda. No. Alright, keep going. Yes, you can do it. Alright. Come on, bring it back up. It's my deer hide hanging here.
It's frozen.
Thinking about making a drum. Got some more scraping to do. That's my deer hide. I'm gonna make something out of the tail.